It's such a boring day. Coming. Who is it?
Little boy.
Hello?
Are your parents home?
No. Not right now.
I'm Mrs. Johnson from next door, and I have a question.
Yes?
I wonder if you
Come in.
Come in. Have a little Christmas gift for me.
Um,
I have no relatives. I have no family, and I'm longing for a gift.
well, follow me.
Thank you, little boy. What's your name?
Andy,
Oh, Andy.
I might have a gift for you in here.
Oh, awesome, awesome. Is that one for me?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, is that one for me?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, thank you, boy. Thank you, boy.
Oh man, Seago seems to like you.
Hi, is that nice? Hey, Seiko. Are you Seiko? Can I have the dog? Oh, my back hurts. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, I'll take the dog.
Instead of the present?
No, I don't want, I want the dog. I just want the dog. Bye.
Hey, get back here! Get back here!
Goodbye.
Get back here with my mom's dog!
Goodbye, little boy. I'm going to steal your dog.
Ah.